Welcome back to Classic Barber. We are here with another fire transformation. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do a wave cut. Cutting kids can be very difficult given the nature of their hair texture. As you can see, I'm starting off by setting the first bald line, dropping it slightly to the back. Actually, for this kid, the hair in the front forehead area is strong, but the vertical bar area is a bit lighter, which can be very stressful and a big challenge when it comes to the lineup. Now I'm setting the second guideline with the lever fully open, also dropping it slightly to the back. Guys, consistency is what separates you from an average barber. Then I move on to the third guideline with a one guard, ensuring it also follows the same direction to the back. Here you will see me using different guards from a 1 guard to a 0.5 for the transition. Guys, one thing I realize when cutting this type of hair is to avoid pushing too high. I like to do all the fading process within the middle part of the hair, which is the weaker side, and keep the top as dark as possible. I hope that makes sense. Now for the top, I'm using a 1.5 guard going with the grain. Then with this book at the parental ridge, I'm going against the grain, connecting it to the top. You will see me switching between both angles to ensure the process is smooth. Guys, thumbs up for this kid. This is the second time he's sitting in my chair for a YouTube video. Check out the first haircut we did. It was fantastic, a low cut afro. You can find it on my channel. Guys, if you are not used to washing your client's hair, here is a basic and effective method you can use it. All you need to do is scrub the hair thoroughly with a brush. If you have a hand towel in the shop, use it to dry the client's hair. After that, I went back in to detail everything I just did. You can see how clean the haircut is looking and how the fade really pops. I also added some product to my client's hair before going all in for a brushing section. Here in the lineup, as you can see, the hair in the forehead area is a bit stronger, just like I mentioned earlier. I'm creating a basic outline in the front to help connect the vertical bars, and I'm working hard to make it as symmetrical as possible before going back in with the hand enhancement tool to make the lineup pop. Guys, if you really want to learn how to cut hair in a way that helps you level up your work speed and make more money behind the chair, we are setting up a membership where I will be sharing the simplest to the most advanced techniques I've developed over the years. We work with you step by step as if you are in the role with us, helping you build confidence with your tools. As a member, you will also have access to post any haircut photo of your choice that you want to learn. To learn more, contact us at Classic Barber Academy at gmail.com for further inquiries. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our weekly updates. Comment, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.